Hello everyone, it is Shifudon again, and in this video we are going to be talking about the empty stance, also sometimes called the cat stance. I call it empty stance, and I was taught this stance called the empty stance because the front foot is empty of weight, as you'll see in just a moment. So we go ahead and we sink down into the right leg, and we come out with the left out in front, and the toe just lightly touches the ground. Now, as you'll notice, the toe is in line with the heel on this stance. And we come back, sinking left and stepping out right. And back again to the V. That's our ready position. So our side view. Feet in the V, sinking into the right, and stepping out with the left. Back to the V, sinking left, and out with the right. And then back to our ready position, where our feet are in the V. Very simple, not too difficult. Well, I guess it could be putting all your weight on either your right or your left leg. So I guess this could be a little bit difficult. This just takes some practice, turning off your muscles as best you can so that they don't get strained out. And you will, be doing this stance, and you may call it easy as well over time. But at first it may be difficult because all that weight is going on to the back leg. This is probably as close as you're going to get to a 100-0 stance. 100% of your weight is on that back leg, 0% on the front. You may do like 95-5, something like that, but very, very close to, or if not, 100% of the weight is on the back leg. So whichever leg is back, you're going to have 100% on that back leg. That's it for this video. Very quick and to the point. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have yourself a blessed day.